Do you know, studying abroad is directly proportional to timeful planning. जी हाँ, the key to make your dream abroad come true is planning and executing everything along with the timeline. So, no more poor essays, low scores and unworthy applications because this time you will be on time. Hi, I'm Swati Tiwari and today I'll let you know the importance of following the timeline so that you won't miss out on any major application, especially the US Fall MT. So guys, start working on your applications right now because US considers 12 to 18 months prior applications to avoid any end-time hazing. The first step in your study abroad journey is selecting the right universities and programs. To make an informed decision, students usually refer to famous rankings like the QS World University Rankings and Time Higher Education Ranking to find out which universities are leading in the field. But let's be honest, this whole process of researching and comparing can be quite hectic and time-consuming. That's where we come in. We simplified this for you by providing a customized shortlist of top universities and courses delivered in a neatly organized Excel sheet, saving your time and effort while ensuring you make the best choice for your future. Also, check LinkedIn to see where your alumni are studying. This gives you a clear sense of universities to target. Once you have an idea, shortlist 8 to 10 universities, categorize them into safe, moderate, and ambitious. This process can take 1 to 2 months as it's a crucial step in your application journey. If you are still unsure, it's the perfect time to reach out to us. We can expedite this process by providing a personalized shortlist to get you onto the right track very quickly. From July onwards, start preparing for the entrance test. Check the university websites for the cutoff scores for these tests. This will help you set your target scores very clearly. Depending on your aptitude and English proficiency, allocate enough time to prepare because universities give significant weight to these exams. Note that GRE and TOEFL exams have undergone major changes and can now be completed in less than 2 hours. On test day, you will be asked to share 5 universities where you want your scores to be set. This is free, but sending scores to additional universities costs $35 each. That's why it's important to choose your universities in advance very wisely. With tests out of the way, focus on your essays. Generally, you will need a 800-word SOP, a 500 to 600-word personal statement, and 3 LORs. For scholarships, you might need a 500-word essay, and for research positions, a research proposal. Make sure to check each university's specific essay requirements, as some may ask for responses to certain questions instead of an SOP. And remember to avoid using AI tools heavily, as universities now check for AI-generated content. Write your documents yourself and use language correction or grammar tools to polish them. Spend time on these documents because they play a crucial role in your application. Allocate about 2 months to complete all your essays, get feedback, revise them, and make them ready for submission. For feedback, ask your friends or family studying abroad with good English skills. Don't take your essays lightly or start them last minute. No, rushing them will reduce their quality and impact your application. So by October, you should be ready with everything you need. Submitting applications early can boost your chances, especially for universities with rolling admissions. To summarize, for fall admissions, start your application in August and continue working on them until October or November. However, if you are thinking you are running late and most of it is not done, don't panic. Do get in touch with us with the form below and our expert counselors will guide you further. And remember that following this timeline will make your study abroad process smooth and stress-free. So start today and have a great tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video very soon.